Dromone specialise in the design, manufacturing and marketing of agricultural tractor pick-up hitch technology and construction quick coupler technology. To support this, Dromone incorporates up-to-date technologies, lean systems and continues to invest in R&D to provide our customers with superior performing products.
Back in the late 1990s, we were starting to expand. We were moving into the construction sector, which was a big change from where we were. By its necessity, we had a lot of expansion in the group needed, so we were going to take on more engineers, increase the technical staff. That was going to mean that we needed more seats for our, at that time, 2D CAD. We took the opportunity then to just take a look around and see what else was there, and it seemed like 3D modelling was really the state of the art at the time. And we said, well, if we have to invest, let's do it there. SOLIDWORKS really did seem to be the best fit for us, for an SME of our size. After reviewing all the rest of them, we found that just the adaptability, the versatility of that suited our type of product very, very well, our designs. And we moved on with that. And with the training that we got at the time for Solid Solutions, it really did turn out very, very well.
So we use a wide range of SOLIDWORKS features, everything from sheet metal to simulation for stress analysis to animations for customer instructions. SOLIDWORKS isn't just a CAD tool for us, it's an integral part of our innovation process.
After 25 years of using CAD and using SOLIDWORKS, really our CAD data had grown exponentially, and we needed to make a step change really in that area of control and storage. The usual methods of more manual of control and change probably reached the end of the road for us, and we needed to implement something a bit more efficient and time sensitive for us. Investing in SOLIDWORKS PDM really allowed us to make that whole process more efficient, had to onboard new people more easily, less oversight was needed, and just became a much more streamlined system.
So we started by putting a project team together. That team was subsequently trained by Solid Solutions in all the various tools and all the background and all the do's and don'ts of PDM to give us all the tools equipped to put the project plan together. So Solid Solutions then did a health check of our CAD data. We literally had tens of thousands of files. On one side of the business we had 40,000 files that were all approved. So from that health check we came up with a strategy of migration and PDM implementation. So we took our most live product, migrated that first. So we put together a project plan of implementation, which consisted of the training of the users, the migration plan, what products to leave out and what products to migrate. We then chose a point in time for new part number creation, so that was also another feature that we chose to implement at the time. And throughout the whole implementation process we really tried to up our SOLIDWORKS utilisation to best practice. That also included the implementation of SOLIDWORKS Toolbox, which also formed part of our migration process. We felt it was the best time to tackle that. Bringing the automatic part numbering to PDM was a really important step for us. We had 2 different part numbering systems in the past. We were currently controlling it with a manual Excel database. While be it not bad, it wasn't perfect. So it was important to collaborate with Solid Solutions there. We had to come up with some custom solutions on the back end of the PDM software to make that work. One of the things that we wanted to do also was future-proof our implementation, so that in the future, as the organisation grows and scales, that we could implement a CAD link type software where we would implement our ERP system with PDM and with SOLIDWORKS. PDM has given us the peace of mind knowing that all of our approved design data is safe at all times. It has taken the stress out of data control for our engineers and allows them to worry about the actual design working and get on with their job. So it also prevents newer team members in unintentionally editing approved design data, which means we can get them up to speed quicker on the products or on the processes and spend less time educating them about data control. From a data control point of view, it gives us the peace of mind that we're guarded against multiple versions of one component. Before our PDM implementation, before the Toolbox implementation, we had a lot of examples where we had 3 or 4 of the same type of bolt or nut or fixture, and obviously that caused its own problems with mates, etc. The features of PDM have streamlined our design process through the strategic use of data cards, automatic number generation, and the PDM search tool, we've been able to eliminate multiple Excel spreadsheets and manual databases. So Solid Solution Support has been a valuable resource to us right throughout the PDM implementation, even with our progression of that system, since it's always very prompt. You always get the issue resolved within the day or the following day.